Replacement Grinding Bands, for use with FURminator Nail Grinder for at-home nail trimming on your pet. Contains 6 refills. Replace when your grinding band appears worn or when it becomes more difficult to file your pet's nails. 120 grit grinding bands, gently files pet nails with ease, leaving a smooth finish. Use regularly. Untrimmed nails can cause your pet sore feet, legs and hips as well as overall discomfort. Easy replacement, just use a screwdriver to remove the old grinding band and insert a new one. If you live with pets, you live with pet hair. FURminator professional-grade grooming solutions make the pet owner's home happier by dramatically reducing loose hair from the undercoat. Our deShedding tools, grooming tools and hair solutions offer a grooming regimen catered to any dog or cat. These FURminator replacement grinding bands are for use with the FURminator Nail Grinder for pets, not included. Pets need their nails trimmed on a regular basis, usually every 2 to 4 weeks. Untrimmed nails can cause your pet sore feet, legs and hips as well as overall discomfort. To ensure faster, more comfortable nail filing session with your FURminator Nail Grinder for you and your pet, make sure to replace the grinding band when it appears worn or when it becomes difficult to file your pet's nails.Use FURminator pet products for professional quality, at-home grooming results. Brush daily to detangle and smooth fur, deShed weekly to reduce shed hair, and bathe monthly to promote healthy skin and coat while reducing shedding. Top reviews from the United States. Oh la la, my dog's nail look fabulous. This is what I needed to give my dog Mani Petty. She was cautious at first, then relaxed and went to sleep when I did her paws. I just did quick strokes and rotated each nail frequently. I did not want to heat her nail up trying to file it down all at once. Just take your time and file every 5 or so days to slowly get long nails trimmed down. By the 3rd time I needed to be careful of the quick and hurting her paw. Then she would not trust me anymore with it. So I just did quick 1-2 seconds on each nail. The nail grinder is fabulous. Batteries lasted longer than expected and plenty of power. Be careful not to hurt dog. My Springer has tough thick nails and I no longer need to hand file. This was a very good buy. I love it. My pup has perfect nails.